Hi, welcome to Accordioncafe. What we've got here is a pressure switch. This is actually out of a washer tumble dryer, but pressure switches all work on the same principle of air pressure coming through a tube which goes to the tank of the tub, and as you fill water in, the water comes part way inside, causes pressure up the tube. This pushes on a diaphragm and operates various reed switches to switch on or switch off various things, such as the feed to the inlet water through the inlet solenoid, or the heater, or the motor functioning timer. And so we're going to have a look inside this. I'll see if we can get this cover off here. This is well, it's going to be scrapped. The whole machine is going to be scrapped. It's got a major fault, so I won't bother with that. So I'm just going to get inside here one way or the other. So here we have it. Let's have a look at this as we take the top off here. So there's the diaphragm. This is where the air comes in under pressure from the water and pushes on the diaphragm. This diaphragm then pushes on this plastic plate here. Now there's the reed switches, and we've got this three-legged switcher for here which operates the reed switches, and you can hear it clicking as we push it down here. That's clicking, that one, that one. That's just a post there. So there we have it, you see. Now at different pressures they'll operate, or different heights of water in the tub. So if this presses down on that, like that, you can hear the two different levels. And of course on the other side of this unit, coming through the plastic, remember this is airtight, and the air pressure comes in. We'll look on the other side. This is where your wiring comes in for your on-off switches. These screws here, these crosshead screws, these will operate to adjust the pressure needed to operate the switch. But of course I wouldn't recommend that you touch those. Let's have a look a bit further in here. So there's our little man there. Now you can see, switch a bit more closely inside the reed switch. So as the air pressure pushes on the diaphragm, pushing that plate at the back there, which is a solid plate, rests in there, it pushes on this. As we know, this pivots from that spot there, and the other two tentacles of it, whatever, operate those switches. We'll just get this the right way around again. There we are. So pressure in the middle. So we'll go straight down with it now. So this switch operates first, And then as the pressure increases more from more water in the tub, then this one comes into operation. And the actual part of the switch which makes the contact is here. You can see a little contact points in there. Open and close contact point in there. And the same with this one here at the other end. And that's your pressure switch. So we've done no damage to that, really. So this goes on a specific way, you see. So yeah, it's no good like that, because this one's missing. So let's turn it round. I'm sorry about this traffic noise, it's awful. Oh, that's the right way now. So there's your stand there. That's the one that it pivots on together with the one in the centre. Then we have a plastic disc which goes on into the centre part there, and then we have the seal which goes in on there, and this then goes on there and supplies the pressure from the rising water. The water doesn't come up this far. With this connects to the near the bottom of the tank, depending on design. I've cut this pipe off, so we'll just imagine it connects to almost at the bottom of the tank. When you start putting water in the tank, the water pressure, the weight of the water, as the water level rises in the tank, so it will rise in this tube. But because this is airtight, the water can only rise dependent on how much water you put in the tank. The more weight of water in the tank, the more the water will rise and cause pressure in this pipe here, and air pressure inside there onto the diaphragm. So if you have a leak in this pipe at all, the water pressure won't rise. If it's blocked, the air pressure, I should say, the air pressure won't rise, and these do get blocked because of soap suds being left in the machine. And so eventually they'll get gunked up inside there, and the switch won't operate. And there we have it. So